Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add friends on Steam. If you want to play games with friends on Steam but don't know how to add them, then in this quick guide, I will show you the latest and the safest way to add friends on Steam. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now click on Add Friends from your profile section, and then you will see your unique friend code at the top of the screen where it says your friend code. Tap on the copy button to copy your code, and then you can go ahead and send it to a friend, or you can also enter a friend's code in the text box at the bottom to invite them to connect. You can also go ahead and try searching for your friend in the search box at the bottom. Type in their name, and from the search result, find your friend you want to add and click on Add as Friend right next to their name. You can also send a quick invite so that your friends will be instantly connected when they accept. Go ahead and find this link over here. Click on the copy button to copy the link and go ahead and send it via email or SMS. And once your friend accepts the invite, you will be connected instantly. Each link can only be used once and automatically expires after 30 days. So you might want to come to this page over here and copy your link every time you invite or send the invitation link to your friends. Once your friend accepts the request, you will be able to add them as friend on Steam. If your account is new or unverified, you might need to spend at least $5 on Steam or redeem a wallet code to unlock the friend adding privileges. This is Steam's way to prevent spam accounts. So that is how you can easily add friends on Steam or invite them to the platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.